Hello students, you are welcome to Success CD's Education. I am Ruchika. Here I will talk about ICSE class 10th mathematics. I'll talk about the board exam pattern and the structure of the question paper. The mathematics paper examination will be set on the entire syllabus that has been prescribed, and you have studied part of it in class 9th and a part of it in class 10th. So for your board exams, you have to prepare the entire syllabus. There will be 20 marks awarded for the internal assessment and 80 marks shall be awarded for the written paper. So in all, mathematics subjects carries 100 marks in the board exams. The written paper is for 2.5 hours, carrying a weightage of 80 marks. Section 1 of the paper will be compulsory and section 2 has some options which you can use. In the compulsory section 1, there will be 40 marks awarded in all. There will be short answer questions. Section 2, which has options, which is also for 40 marks. You have to answer any 4 questions out of the given 7 questions. 10 marks shall be awarded for each question. The internal assessment, which is for 20 marks, 10 marks shall be awarded by the internal examiner and external examiner shall mark you on 10 marks. These are based on the project work which you will submit. Thank you for watching this and do subscribe to Success CD's Education.